Have you ever wondered kung asa makita ang perfect escape or family staycation? Stay with us till the end kaya amang ihatag ni mga price range, location, amenities, ug ang truth kung worth it bagyod ang mga villas. Dili ni ordinaryo nga resort. Hidden in the coast of Mati City, naayo sa ka-sanctuary nga once you step in, murag dili na nimo gusto mo uli. Tara na sa Kuwi, kung asa bida ang family, travels and foods, memories so good. Wow! Welcome to the Hikan Beach Resort and Spa, where every sunrise feels like a dream and every moment with family becomes a treasure. Kini nahimutang sa matahom nga may bayon sa Mati City, Davao Oriental. Pag-abot ninyo, mubati ka dayon sa halong nga hangin sa dagat. This is where coastal charm meets modern comfort, crafted for families who seek nature, wellness, ug memorable bonding moments. Adunay duha ka klaseng private villas. Ang Dahican Premium Suite, spacious kaayo, 250 square meters, complete with king-size bed, nindot kaayo para sa cozy family bonding. And ang Dahican Suite, 200 square meter with 1 double and 1 queen bed. Perfect para sa family with kids o gusto og extra space. Ang matag villa, adunay private deck, imuhang kaugalingong swimming pool, air-conditioned living and dining pavilion, outdoor divans, queen vanities, bathtub, rain showers, Wi-Fi, TV, sound system, safay og Nespresso machine for a seamless home away from home experience. Unsa pa appeal sa inyong stay? Let me walk you through the inclusions. Daily breakfast for 2, in-room refreshments of non-alcoholic beverages, access to infinity pool, access to the lounge, access to the resto, beach volley, frisbee. Kung gutom na ka after swimming or chilling sa imong villa, ayaw ka bala ka kay naatay the resto. Dinhi pwede ka maka-order og food ug ilang ihatod diretso sa imong villa for a cozy private dining experience. Kung ganahan pud ka nga mukaon og fresh sea breeze and island vibes, pwede ka mo dine in direkta sa The Resto mismo. Perfect kaayo for family bonding, barkada hangouts, or even romantic dinner. Importante nga mahibawan, The Resto is non-pork. Pero kung mangita kag lami, ayaw ka bala ka kay they serve a wide variety of beef, seafood, and chicken dishes nga makabusog ug makasatisfy gihapon sa imong cravings. Plus, breakfast time, dili gyud nimo mamiss ang ilang buffet breakfast. Complete from hot coffee, cereals, fresh foods, hasta sa mga heavy food na makahatag og energy for your beach day. So whether villa dining or resto experience, sa Dahican Beach Resort and Spa, you'll always enjoy delicious food with a view. Napoy mga amenities nga swak para sa pamilya. Ang ilang infinity pool with panoramic ocean view. Relax while overlooking the Pacific. Direct access to beachfront. White sands, gentle safe waves ideal para sa children, shaded loungers, fun like volleyball, kayaking, paddleboarding. Ang pag-anhin nimo from Davao City, around 3 to 4 hours to Mati City. So from Mati City, around 20 minutes lang paingon sa resort. Wala pa specific published rate ang resort karon. Pero for exact pricing, better mo contact diretso lalo na kay bago pa ni sila or limited information lang ang available. But here's their special opening rate. Ang Dahican Suite at 30% off, 12,600 net per night, good for 2 guests only, inclusive of food and beverages voucher worth 1,500. Dahican Premium Suite at 30% off, 14,000 net per night, good for 2 guests only, inclusive of food and beverages voucher worth 2,000. Again, for exact rates sa Premium Suite or Dahican Suite, inquire directly sa resort's contact number 0949-890-1880 or message them sa Messenger to get the latest offer. Ready na ba mo sa inyong next unforgettable family staycation? Contact them today. Unwind, embrace, and experience Dahican at its best. That's it mga kakuwi. Laag responsibly, amping pirmi!